Yo guys, so welcome back to the channel once again. So in this video I'm going to show you an update that you can use to get free funded account, which is 5k or 5,000. And remember, it's a simulated capital, not a real fund. Okay, so you only need to get this account through the process or the steps that I'm going to show you. After that, pass the evaluation. After you pass the evaluation, you get funded and then get rewarded upon your trading that you show on the funded account. Okay, without being said, let's get started straight into this. And remember, I drop video on this channel every single day. So if you're interested in no deposit bonus and free funded account, make sure you subscribe to this channel straightforward. So let me take you to my Discord where the announcement was made. And remember, this video is for educational purpose and entertainment purpose only. I'm not in partnership with them. I only do research and get or come across with this update, and I want to show you guys. So make sure you do your own research or your own investigation as well before you engage with this. If you think it's trustworthy for you, then you jump onto them. So let me show you where the update is and an announcement which was made. So I'll take you to my Discord. So here's my Discord. As my Discord is loading, don't forget to go down to the video description and join my Telegram channel. That is where I'll share the post link that you can just click on it straight and it will take you to the post here to do your own research or to read about this. Good. So this was the announcement. Okay. Vote for us as the best Forex pro firm at the Pro Firm Match Award 2025. So these are the tasks that they want you to perform in order to win the account. And remember, this account is going to be given to 10 random people that will be selected. Okay, only 10. So if you are not choosing, don't be worried. There are lots of video on my channel and I'm still dropping video every single day. So just stick to the channel, turn on your notification. That is the only way when I upload video, you can get your hand on them very quickly and then perform the taxes and be the early bird which is going to be chosen. So here's the next step. We are giving away 10k 5 we are giving away 10 times 5k instant starter account on X. Okay, so here is how to enter. Vote for us with this link here. So I will include the post link in my Telegram channel. So go down to the video description, join the Telegram channel, and have access to this link. So here, how do you vote? Just click on this link right here. Okay, just click on the link and then uh go and vote. Okay, so let's just click on the link to see how it's going to load. Okay, and we see the exact way that we can vote for them as the best pro firm. Okay, as it's loading, let's go back and be checking on step 2. Okay, I think it has almost loaded. So step two is saying comment with your proof at this link that is being attached here is a X link. Okay, so let's check on the voting section. Let's check on the voting section. So this is the voting section right here. So Profile Match Award 2025, Profile Match Award 2025. So we just have to scroll below, and you see a lot of awards. And you must select the one that said best pro firm. Okay, so we have to scroll a bit down. You can see the award. This one said best trading competition Forex. Best, let's cross this out. Good. So best payout process, and then best payout process feature, highest rated pro firm. So till we find the best pro firm, okay, most popular pro firm. All the awards are here. Highest rated, most popular, highest verified, most popular new pro firm, best selling pro firm. Okay, so you just have to scroll to see that Okay, so you also have to search through and get that. Okay, best forex profile, best crypto. Let's check on the one that they are talking about again. Let's check on that. They are saying Bex Forex Profile. Okay, we have bypassed that one. Bex Forex Profile. Okay, Bex Forex Profile. So let's check on that. Bex Forex Profile. I think it's a bit above. I cannot spot this quickly. I think we saw that earlier. Yeah, we saw that earlier. Here is it, Bex Forest Profile. Here is the best forest profile. Okay. So you just have to vote for them, and then that is all, and show the proof to them, and show the proof to them on X. That is all, and you are cool to go. So, guys, this is the update that I have for you guys, and then you can stick to my channel for more updates every single day. And thank you for enjoying this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates. Goodbye.